You killed yourself. I didn't do that. That was all on you. I don't know how the physics make sense. I'm literally right up under your belly. You literally, okay. GG's. Yeah, GG's, dude. Bro. Ah, it begins! It literally feels like I'm fighting Bayo. Like, you cannot move. You're trolling me right now. You're trolling me! This man! Oh, man. I don't have words. I'm scared. I don't know what to do. I've never seen that, bro. Insane!
Luigi wins.
Listen! Jesus. Oh my God! I think he's thinking about, like, bro. Yeah, just drink some milk, bro. He needs some milk. What am I watching right now? Yo, my heart literally... If I win... Whoa! Yeah! Ah! The god has been slain! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I'm sorry, Majara. You're so insane. I identify as a kitchen sink. I identify as a pickle because I like pickles. Take it. Oh, is it gonna begin? What the freak? Why was I on the ground for so long? I'm not doing that again. I refuse to do that again. No! Bro, that's so random! Oh my god. I was on top of you, good sir. Ooh. Oh my god, I ruined the opportunity! Oh god, no! Bro, die! I'm dead. Bro, I hate you! I hate you! I didn't get 3 stocked, yay! Cheer me on, guys. No. Oh my god. It's not over till the fat lady sings. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. How do you like that? Everybody always falls for that! Ooh, my back was turned. If I win. Yeah! Ah! The god has been slain! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I'm sorry, Majari. You're so insane! This man... No, he did not! Bro, I fought tooth and nail for that. I know, I'm sorry. Bro, I'm hyped. I'm sorry, Majari. I promise you, I'm not trying to be toxic.
Yo!